rear disc brake conversion.
Rear disc brake conversion, because drum brakes suck. So he ordered a kit for a conversion for this. So that is our project for today. So, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it. So this is currently where the brakes sit, because if you can see, we have this right here, which is the emergency brake cable. Is a completely different setup, and so we're trying to figure out a way to mount it to the new calipers. So currently that's where everything's sitting. What? So your brakes are done. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Are you happy? They look really good.
Yes, they do.
Yeah, looks way better.
Yeah.
Drum brakes are dumb. If they want to buy the kit, where do they get it from? You know what? I'll get the link from you and I'll just put it in the description. How's that sound? Just forward it to me. So down below, if you want to buy the kit, there will be a link.
It's $155, and
55.
it includes brake pads, the brackets to bolt the calipers, all the nuts and bolts, and I think that's it.
Was there anything specific that isn't recommend or isn't mentioned that you recommend that people buy for it? Anything that you needed? Oh, the for the e-brake. What did you do for the e-brake? Because you had some issues with that.
In order to use the Mirage e-brake cable, I had to I soldered on 2 eyelets for battery cables.
Uh-huh.
And then used a nail bracket. I used a nail bracket like that.
Okay.
And this part I bolted depending on what calipers you get, because you're supposed to get first gen DSM calipers. And I got calipers for a 94 Eagle Talent, and I used the bolt to run from where the emergency brake comes up, and then this bolts to the brake caliper.
Okay.
This bolt comes in like this, and then the e-brake. You know. So.
So you will have to do some custom work on the e-brake.
Yeah.
So just be aware of that. It definitely wasn't a quick thing like I thought. I thought we were just going to, you know, swap it all over real quick, but you know, turns around, you need a bunch of extra stuff. So just be prepared for a couple-day project on it if you have time to sit down and do it. It was good though, but yeah, I will definitely link it in below. So we will catch you next time. Bye.